What is up and welcome to another video. Today is January 31, end of the month, and we'll talk about Bitcoin. I'm going to update you with my trade on my BYDfi account, and of course I will show you the levels of Bitcoin that we previously spoke about, and of course some of the latest news that could affect the market. If you are ready, let's dive right in. Before we talk about the charts, please acknowledge the disclaimer. All right, so latest news from Watcher Guru, guys. Just in, European Central Bank President says Bitcoin will not be included in any EU central bank reserve. So this is a bearish news, guys. Reserves have to be liquid according to the central bank president. Reserves have to be secure. They have to be safe, and they should not be plagued by money laundering or other criminal activities. So that is according to the central bank president. And another one right here that we need to talk about is the Bitcoin dominance and the fear and greed index. Although we have seen a correction on the Bitcoin's price, but the fear and greed index did not actually drop into the fear level. It is still hovering on the neutral level, and we haven't seen a significant correction on the Bitcoin's price. And another one that we need to keep an eye on will be the Bitcoin dominance, guys, because if Bitcoin dominance keeps on going up, there is less chance for the altcoins to outperform Bitcoin, guys. That is why we want the dominance or Bitcoin dominance to drop, so that the altcoins and the alt seasons that we all been waiting for will finally happen. But if the dominance keeps on going up, then alt season will be less likely. So going back to the Bitcoin's chart, on my previous video, guys, I spoke about this bull flag on the daily time frame, and I have told you that the first confirmation will be the break of the resistance level here. Today, this is going to be very important for the level to hold, guys. I'm going to explain to you the key levels that we need to keep an eye on. So last time, I told you that Bitcoin daily candle need to close this very specific resistance, guys, 105,200-ish level. So if the daily candle closes above 105,400, I think, if I mentioned it correctly on my previous video, then that will be the confirmed invalidation of my short position. But look at this, exactly 2 daily candle did not close above this very important zone, guys. So right now, Bitcoin is on the process of retesting this previous breakout point as a support. And if Bitcoin will be able to hold this level, guys, then this could be a good long entry point. But again, this will be my initial confirmation here. So right now, our short position is slightly on the disadvantage side. So first confirmation already happened, but the daily candle close, official confirmation here, the daily candle did not close above $105,000. So again, I remain bearish, guys, because if you have watched my previous explanation, I've explained that we have a possible double top here, and of course the previous price action here. If you have missed my previous analysis about the price actions on this level, feel free to check out my previous video about Bitcoin. So I have explained this price action, guys, that Bitcoin could probably bounce and consolidate on this level before going down. And again, if Bitcoin continues to consolidate longer on this level, then there is still a chance that this could form a possible Bart-Simpson pattern. So let's try to zoom out here. So if Bitcoin will consolidate longer on this level, then there is a chance that this could probably break out to the downside, guys. We have a fair value gap at around 75,000 up to 86 to $90,000. So in the future, Bitcoin will likely revisit to fill this fair value gap. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is still due for a major correction. And majority is asking, why are you bearish on Bitcoin and why you remain bullish on Ethereum? So again, we're talking about different time frames here. So my target for Ethereum will be $5,000. That will be the peak of this cycle, guys. That will be the final target for this cycle. So probably we are going to see the peak before the end or before November this year, as per the previous cycle and as per the previous price actions. So from February until October, we might probably see several ups and down on the price of Bitcoin and in majority of the altcoins. So again, I'm expecting a possible major correction before we head on to that final leg up and final target for this cycle before we move down to the bear market. So probably we might see a correction on the Bitcoin's price February until March, April, and then a little bit of consolidation here on this level. And then that's the time that we might see altcoins outperform Bitcoin. So that is why if we see that major correction, I think that is an opportunity to reaccumulate more altcoins. And if Bitcoin drop, it would probably consolidate and majority of the altcoins will recover faster than Bitcoin, and that will be the start of the alt season. And now majority of us are still waiting for that alt season, guys. And Bitcoin seems to be consolidating on this level for a very long time. So let me share with you my trade on my Bitunix account. I've shared this one with you on my previous videos. So I'm still holding my short position here, still in a very good amount of profit. But again, I'm still expecting a further move to the downside. So as expected, we have seen that Bitcoin bounce from this very important previous pivot points and key support level. So key support level, bounce expected. We have seen that bounce. And right now, Bitcoin is hovering on this resistance zone, guys. So if we are going to zoom in, it looks like that Bitcoin on the lower time frame is forming a rising wedge pattern on the 2-hour time frame, and it looks like a bear flag as well. So Bitcoin needs to hold this level, guys. In the immediate short term, Bitcoin needs to hold this short-term support trend line. So I would say the level that Bitcoin needs to hold will be $103,000. If Bitcoin fails to hold that level on the immediate short term, like 4-hour time frame, is if the 4-hour time frame or 4-hour candle closes below the $103,000, that will be a signal or the first confirmation that the bears are still in control. So bigger time frame, I am trading mostly swing trades. You need to know what type of trader are you guys. Are you a scalp trader? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? So because I'm doing a swing trades, I have been holding this trade since January 25 when Bitcoin hit the $108,000. And my target for this will be the 90,000 level, guys. So if Bitcoin dropped to 90,000 level, then probably I will make a significant amount of profit. And if Bitcoin breaks down even lower, then this trade will be fantastic because I got a beautiful entry point here at $108,000 exactly on that candle wick. So I don't want to close this position right now. if my prediction here for the medium term, probably around end of February up until March, if we see that correction within that period of time, then probably this trade will give me around 5,000 to 10,000 USDT in profit. So if you are in our Discord community, I have shared the trade, guys, exactly when Bitcoin was trading at around $108,000. Look at this beautiful short entry point right there. And this is going to be a swing trade, guys, with a final target of $92,000. So if you are in Discord, congratulations. And also, you know that we have officially launched the Chill Trader X BYDfi signals. If you want to be part of this group, you will be able to access swing signals, general announcements, market analysis, scalp signals. These are all coming from the traders from BYDfi. So you can join this group. All you have to do is just to create an account in BYDfi. And of course, I will be doing copy trade. You can finally copy my trade this February in BYDfi. If you want to do that, you can create an account using my referral link in the description down below. And also, you will gain access into this Chill Trader X BYDfi signals. You'll get insights from the traders, the best traders in BYDfi. I know the market is divided right now. Majority of the bulls and the bears are almost equal. So let me know, which side are you on? Are you bullish on Bitcoin right now, or are you bearish? Let me know. Are you longing, buying Bitcoin, or are you selling? Are you shorting Bitcoin? I would like to hear from you guys. Drop them in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.